In this video, I'll show you how to return Shein items and get a refund. Now, first and foremost, I'm going to link you to the return policy. It's in the description of this video, and I know what you're thinking. I don't want to read the return policy. I insist. Read the return policy for your specific item so that you can know if it can be returned or not. For instance, it doesn't help that you are trying to return shoes when it clearly says it must be returned in new, unworn. And let's say you wore them and it's visible that you wore them, you're not returning that, unfortunately. Make sure you have the original branded box and all accessories that come with it. Very, very important. Okay, so after you've read your specific section on the return policy, we've got a little strip here that shows you how to do it on your phone. But what's great about coming to the return policy is you can just hit this little button underneath the instructions to start your return. If, however, you decide that you don't want to come to this page, this is how you will do it on your mobile device. On the home screen, you'll see the returns icon. I haven't bought anything from Shein, so I'll have nothing inside here. But you'll navigate to the specific item you want to return. You'll click on it on the left. There's a little block, and you'll be asked what is the reason for your return. You then have to upload a photo or a video of the item. Then you're going to pick your return method. I'm going to jump out of here for a second so I can show you the different options. So depending on your region, you have these options. And then you will choose what payment method for the refund. And then you'll be given a return label. You will download that return label as well so that you can attach it with the item. If you need to find that return label again, I'm going to jump out of here. You just follow step 6, go to my orders, returns where you've been in, return and refund record, details, and then you can save the label again, but it will be given to you throughout the process of the return. And here you'll see you can get the refund in approximately 10 to 15 days. They will need to check the items first, and they do reserve the right to refund you or not. Again, I'll link you to the return policy. Anybody can read this through themselves, but I again do insist that you read this. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.